Americans, you are in my heart. Thank you for your support. I'm here to diagnose and fix the G side-by-side washer in the dryer. The problem with the washer, it wouldn't open the door. 2 years old. I had the same error code 80 days ago, but it fixed itself. For now, I tried to open it through the diagnostic mode and it didn't do that. Active error codes. I tried to restart it, tried to run the force diagnostic mode, tried to open it, but it's failed. Nothing here to pull or press. Okay, I'll show you how I did it.